Hello, I'm Alex Pierce. Today I'm going to show you how to sign up as a buyer at BLENDERender.com, and I'll also show you how to navigate your dashboard. The first step is to click on Login Sign Up. You can sign in with Facebook, Apple, or Google, or you can click here to register with your email. One thing to note here is your username must be all lowercase and numbers only. After you've confirmed your email, you can go ahead and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see your name here at the top right. If you click on this, you can go to your profile or you can go to your dashboard. If we click on the profile, here we can change our information, including our profile picture and our name. If you click on dashboard, it'll bring you to your main dashboard. Let's look at some of the settings here. This button will close or open the side menu. Here you can sign up to be a seller and switch to your seller account. This will bring you back to the dashboard. This button will bring you home. This button will show you any messages you have, and this button will bring you to your profile, or you can log out. On the side, we have the orders section. This shows you all the orders that you bought. You can search by keyword, from and to dates, as well as price minimum and maximum. Under your orders, you can select the order number or the I button to see your order. If there are any digital items to download, they will be listed here under the download section, and if there are download links, they will be here. You can also download by clicking here, or if you have multiple products, you can select all and download a zip file here. You can print your invoice by pressing this button, and you can go back to your orders by pushing this. If you want to leave a review, click on the star button. Here, you can give a review. Under product reviews, you can see any reviews that you have left, and you can edit them if you need to. In downloads, you have downloadable files and you have downloadable links. Downloadable files will be here, and you can download them individually by clicking on the download button to the right, or you can select multiple products and download them all here. You can also search for a product here. Here, you have access to all of the downloadable links. Clicking on this link will bring me to a link that the creator has shared with me. These links could include GitHub, Dropbox, Google, Amazon S3, etc. They might even include YouTube links. If you have any problems with the links, contact the creator or contact us at hello@blenderender.com. You can see how many times you've downloaded it, and if the creator has set any limitations, you'll see that here. For instance, they may say that on January 1st, 2022, this link is going to expire. Logging to Forum will open a new tab and log you into our forum. Here, you can connect with the community and ask questions. Under Messages, you can see all the correspondence between you and the creators that you have messaged. Favorites will show you all the products that you have marked as favorite. For instance, if you like this Red Autumn Forest, you can click here to add it to your favorites. And now, if we refresh, we'll see that it has been added here. There's also a quick link to get to your favorites by clicking here. If you add any of these to the cart, it will automatically add it to the cart and take it out of your favorites. You can also mark your favorite shops here as well. Account settings is the same settings we saw when we went to our profile. Here you can change your profile picture, your information, and your preferred dashboard from buyer to seller if you choose to be a seller on the platform. You can manage any addresses that you have on file, and if you need to update your email or password, you can do it under Update Credentials. Let us know if you have any questions.